Hey guys, welcome to the first official video of the channel. It's just gonna be a short one, so let's get started. So today we got our short hub that came in. We're gonna be replacing our old one, which is a lot bigger, to one that's a lot smaller. So we got this guy here. It's a very short adapter that'll replace our big one that's right there. So if you guys can see the difference, it's quite a bit. So we'll get started on teardown and show you guys how it's done. So now that we got our hub installed, it's definitely a lot better than our old one. A lot smaller, a lot cleaner looking. But our only problem is our steering wheel isn't going to be straight, just because of how our quick release is. But let me know what you guys think. So this is how it looks right now. So I did find my old quick release from my old car. This one lines up a lot better and closer to being straight than the other one. So we're gonna use this temporarily since we're planning on buying a new quick release steering wheel, so stay tuned for those videos. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Like and subscribe.